Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Do you like helping others? Do you like helping others? Yes, I like to help people. Yes, I like to help people. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? A little bit. A little bit. What's your job? What's your job? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work in a private company. I work in a private company. How long have you worked there? How long have you worked there? For 2 years. For 2 years. What do you do at work? What do you do at work? I manage customer service. I manage customer service. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? To be a business owner. To be a business owner. Do you like working in a team? Do you like working in a team? Yes, teamwork is important. Yes, teamwork is important. Do you work from home? Do you work from home? Sometimes, yes. Sometimes, yes. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to visit Japan. I would like to visit Japan. What's your favorite place? What's your favorite place? Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar. Do you like the beach or mountains? Do you like the beach or mountains? I like the beach. I like the beach. Do you take photos when you travel? Do you take photos when you travel? Yes, lots. Yes, lots. What's your dream vacation? What's your dream vacation? A trip to Paris. A trip to Paris. Do you prefer summer or winter holidays? Do you prefer summer or winter holidays? Summer holidays. Summer holidays. Do you like adventure travel? Do you like adventure travel? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I listen to music. I listen to music. Do you play sports? Do you play sports? Yes, football. Yes, football. Do you like reading? Do you like reading? Yes, I love novels. Yes, I love novels. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Titanic. Titanic. Do you use social media? Do you use social media? Yes, Facebook and Instagram. Yes, Facebook and Instagram. How much time do you spend online? How much time do you spend online? About 2 hours daily. About 2 hours daily. Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you like painting or drawing? Do you like painting or drawing? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you like gardening? Do you like gardening? Yes, it's relaxing. Yes, it's relaxing. Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family? Yes, we are six in total. Yes, we are six in total. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, one brother and one sister. Yes, one brother and one sister. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a businessman. He is a businessman. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Are you close to your family? Are you close to your family? Yes, very close. Yes, very close. Do you have many friends? Do you have many friends? A few good ones. A few good ones. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Donald Trump. My best friend is Donald Trump. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny.